Today we'll do the board sample question. One question is there: the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake. The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of cloud from that point is 60 degree. Angle of depression of cloud from that point is 60 degree. Of cloud reflection means reflection will be there. Reflection from that point is 60 degree. Find the height of the cloud from the surface of lake. Find the height of the cloud from surface of lake. This is the question. Again, the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point 60 meter above the lake is 30 degree, and the angle of depression of cloud from a cloud reflection from that point is 60 degree. Find the height of cloud from surface of lake. So with the figure it will be clear. Suppose this is the what, that is the lake, surface of lake. Okay. And one point it is saying that is the 60 meter above. What is that? That is the 60 meter above. This is the point, and this is suppose the lake is what, AB, and the P point is there, that is 60 meter above. Okay. And there is the cloud, and the angle of elevation it is making, this is the horizontal line. Angle of elevation it is saying that is 30 degree. Means there is the cloud. See that this is the cloud. This AB point we have taken. This is the P. Now this is the C. C point is the C means cloud. Okay. There is the cloud. So point of angle of elevation is what? That is 30 degree from the point P. This is 60 meter above. This is the sea level. Sea level not, that is the lake. Okay. In different question the sea is also given. Therefore that has come in the mind. That is the lake. Okay. This is the lake, water is there. Now angle of elevation that is made, this is the cloud. Cloud is there. Now question is saying that and the angle of depression means downwards of the cloud reflection. So cloud reflection definitely whatever the, we know that water from the water whatever the height of the cloud will be there, the same height downwards it will go also there. Okay, the same height. So this is the 60 meter because this is 60, this is also 60, and suppose the this is what, H. Angle of reflection of this depression, angle of depression of the cloud from that point is what, that is the what, 60 degree. This is what, 60 degree. Okay. So this is H and this is 60. Then what will be? This will be H plus 60. Okay, because the just whatever the height is upward, that the same height will be downwards also. This is the reflection of the cloud. Reflection of cloud. And we are denoting with the R. Okay, this is the R. So there the we have to take what, this triangle C, and suppose this is the what, D is there, CD. CDP, in triangle CDP and triangle DPR. These two triangles we have to take and then we are able to solve. Let CD be H. Therefore, BR equals H plus 60. BR will be what? H plus 60. And the DR equals H plus 60 plus 60. Because this 60 will be also at DR will be what? H plus 60 and plus 60. That will be what? H plus 120. So first we'll take the in right triangle CDP, in right triangle CDP, tan 30 degree equals, because theta, that angle of elevation was 30 degree, equal to CD upon DP, CD upon DP, and the tan 30 degree equal to what? That will be 1 upon root 3, and CD is what? That is the H, and DP is what? That is not given. That write down as it is. So DP equal to what? H root 3. DP equal to what? H root 3. This has come. This is the one. Now in right triangle, which one? In right triangle, this is also the right triangle, that is the, if it, this is the 90 degree. Right triangle PDR, in right triangle PDR. So this is the angle. If this angle we are taking, then tan 60 degree equals, if theta will be this, then for that perpendicular will be this one. Okay. If theta was that in front of the theta, that the side will be perpendicular. No, so we are taking in triangle PDR. So therefore theta will be this, then the what perpendicular will be DR. So tan 60 is equal to what? DR upon PD or DP. DR upon DP. PD and DP are both same DP. Okay. So tan 60 degree equal to what? Root 3, and DR equal to, already we have written, H plus 120, and DP value we can put that H root 3. Okay. This we can write the from 1. Now cross multiply this, H root 3 into root 3 will what? 3H. 3H equal to what? H plus 120. So 3H minus H will be what? 120. So 2H will be 120. Then H will be 120 upon 2. That will be 60. H is the what? That is the 60 meter. Therefore the height of the cloud from the lake. So this is the height of the cloud from the lake. This is the lake. This is the lake. So from there the height of the cloud will be what? That will be H plus 60. Answer I am writing. Height of cloud from surface of lake will be there H plus 60. H plus 60. See that H plus 60. That will be 60 plus 60 will be 120. So this will be your answer. Okay. The students have seen how we have to solve. First we have to draw the figure. This is your lake and the cloud is there, and whatever the height will be of the cloud, the same height will be of that reflection of that will be also there. If H plus 60 is there, H plus 60 downwards also it is there. First we will take the triangle CDP, there the tan 30 degree. Here again we have taken the tan 60 degree, therefore perpendicular will be this and the base will be this, and by solving this we have got the height of this film will be, or cloud from the lake level is what? That is 120 meter. See that solution, how it is solved. Okay, student, thank you.